In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started and collaborate in Microsoft Teams. First, let's get you into the app. On a computer, download the desktop version from Microsoft's official website. On a phone or tablet, install the Microsoft Teams app from the App Store or Google Play. Once it's installed, open Teams and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't want to install anything yet, you can use the web version by visiting teams.microsoft.com in a modern browser. If you're already signed into other Microsoft 365 apps, you can also launch Teams from the app launcher. When you land in Teams, you'll see the main navigation on the left. This is where you'll move between chat, Teams, calendar, calls, and files. Take a moment to click your profile picture to set your availability and review notification settings, so you only get alerts that matter. Let's start with chat. Use chat for quick one-on-one conversations or small group discussions. Click New Chat, type the names of the people you want to reach, and start messaging. You can attach files, drop in images, and use reactions to keep things lively. When a conversation needs more than typing, start an audio or video call right from the chat window. This keeps your discussion and files in one place. For voice and video, the calls section gives you a dedicated dial pad and call history if your organization has calling set up. Need a quick huddle? Use Meet Now to jump into an instant meeting, invite others, and share your screen. For something planned, switch to the calendar and schedule a meeting. Add a title, set the time, invite participants, and send it off. The event will sync with your Outlook calendar so everything stays organized. Teams and channels are where broader collaboration happens. Create a team for a project or department, then add channels for specific topics like planning, design, or announcements. Each channel has its own conversation space and file area, so discussions stay focused and easy to find. Keep channel names clear and consistent to help everyone navigate. Files are available in both chats and channels. Open a file to co-author in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint without leaving Teams. Everything saves automatically, and you can find your recent documents in the Files section. To wrap up, download or open Teams, sign in, and get comfortable with the left-hand navigation. Use chat for quick conversations, calls and Meet Now for face-to-face moments, Teams and channels for organized collaboration, files for shared documents, and calendar to keep your schedule in sync. You're ready to work smarter in Microsoft Teams.